It is day 5, the last day of our cleaning and it's the last Friday before school starts back. Literally the only room I had on the schedule for today is this living room, because the girls wanted to, for their last weekend before back to school, they wanted to go camping. When we do indoor camping, we clear the stuff out of the way right here, set a small tent up right here. They can binge watch shows, they can do little camping things. One of them actually will pack like backpacks with bedrolls. So we set all of that up for them. And also today is our Kroger pickup. So we have to take Matt to work, come back, get what we can done around the house, then go to the pickup, come back. And usually by the time we get done with filming it to show all of you and putting all our groceries away, it's time to go back and get him from work. So that takes up quite a bit of our day. So like I said, I wanted this week to be cleaning, productive, but also not so super packed that they were going to start the first week of school off completely exhausted. So literally the only thing we're going to do, one of mine cleans the glass on this coffee table. It always looks great when she's done. It's going to get moved over there. I've never set a tent up with the new arrangement we have with the couch being here instead of over there and the bench is in here now. But I think if we have to, we can slightly move the couch over that way, or maybe even catty corner it, like in front of the front door, because nobody's coming over right now. I'm going to clear the laundry off. They're going to get the books off. That's one of my throw blankets. Madeline or Sarah has shoes there, dog bone, pillows, beanbag chairs. We're going to vacuum, because vacuuming gets it cleaner than sweeping does when you have dog hair. And all of these tables were actually recently dusted down because one of the girls wanted something to do and she likes dusting. So I let her take care of all that. So literally all we have today for cleaning, just clear all this out, and then we're going to have our Pizza Friday. Well, I've been deep frying wings and baking pizza for everybody with the exhaust fans on because it's still really hot here in the south. Not really, it's getting better. They went ahead and cleared all the laundry. They're going to clear that one last book up once we're finished eating. For now, they're going to eat on the floor with towels. That's what they wanted to do because they wanted it to be like a picnic. So they're going to eat there while we binge watch some Pokemon from our Pokemon channel on Amazon. From then, after dinner, we'll worry about trying to get the tent up. We didn't want to eat pizza in the tent because the tent we actually use like outdoor camping, and I didn't want to have to worry about food in there. So they were super sweet with getting the laundry up and giggling behind me. Like I said, we'll eat, then we'll clean up again and set the tent up. There's the tent in our living room. You can hear the fans running because it gets hot in the tent without them. And they're all asleep in there. They're enjoying it. So we're heading off to bed, us adults, and gonna leave them to sleep in there for the night. But thank you for following us along on our just quick cleaning tips, pick up stuff for back to school. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.